Twin Lakes, and it is absolutely gorgeous on this fall day. And you can see all the aspen trees, and it just snowed overnight. So the pine trees are full of snow, and it's a cloudy day. This is my first time being here, and I wasn't expecting it to be this grand. In the pictures, it looks smaller, and the mountains are actually pretty big. So it's a lot more grand than I thought it would be here. And it's just gorgeous and peaceful, especially during the fall. There's this trail that you can walk on right here, which brought me to this point down there. A big parking lot, and there's bathrooms here and park benches. You can see the reflection in the lake, but you have to get as far down to the lake as possible. You can see that peak reflection right there.